So I'm at the garden center where I will be looking at some flowers. They just opened today. And of course, it'll probably only be houseplants and whatnot. Let's go see what is inside. Ooh, some nice Sansevieria snake plants. And in French, they call it langue de belle-mère. That means mother-in-law's tongue. Nice and sharp. I had one of these. I just love seeing these colors. It's so nice that they just opened. It's March 15, first day open. So let's keep looking, guys. I didn't have much luck with these here. It ended up getting sick and then it lost all of its leaves. I don't know what happened. I think it had fungus gnats. Look at this. Doesn't this just remind you of summer? ZZ plant. Let's look. Is that what it is? Yes. And this is a Dracaena here. Oh, those leaves turn red. Ooh, look at these here. Oh, they're tiny. They're just in little. $1.99 each. And you start them at home. And yeah. Isn't that smart?
Yeah.
Look at these here. I think I like that idea here. Do you guys want to come home? I have a nice little lamp at home. Where's the kitty cat? Meow. Meow. Hi. Hello, kitty kitty. What you doing? Hello, sweetheart. Are you anxious for spring too? I think so. Yeah, he belongs to this. He was here last year too, my husband says. I don't remember seeing him. Oh, you're such a pretty kitty. Yes, you are. All right, so I'm gonna get some of this here. This is just so sweet. I love this idea. I didn't know they did this. It's just so smart. So I'm gonna go with, how about 3 of these? I'll make a planter. 1, 2, 3. 15 to 25 centimeters high. Still high enough. So I'm gonna make only 1 planter with this. I'm gonna need some white here. I'll separate it like this. Do I want 3 of each? Let me think, guys. So I would like to do something with these here. These are, you don't need to plant these. You just spray them and with water and they just take they take the humidity from the air. But I would like to do some sort of arrangement this summer and probably do something nice in a pot or something like that. It's really interesting, really interesting. Like this would be cool. You know, you just put a few of these in there and you could put that like on the table. I wonder how much these are though. I think I might get this. Oh my Lord. Look how beautiful these are. Cyclamen. Oh, wow. And there are white ones, and there are these deeper, darker fuchsia ones, and there's the pink ones, and there's the red ones. Oh, wow, and they're only $10. Can I plant this outside? A cyclamen. This is what it's called, cyclamen. I wonder. Look at that dinosaur. That is crazy. Oh my God, I would need this dinosaur. That's $3,000. Holy wow. That's crazy. Liz, and I'm talking to Liz from Garden Happy. Every time I see these now, I think of you. Look how pretty they are. Yours are absolutely gorgeous. Bougainvillea. Yours is like, wow, it's huge. I used to have a basket of this color here. But seriously, look at these, how pretty these are. I might just get myself a basket this year. Oh, look at these succulents here. I want this. Oh my God, I want this. It's $13. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous this is. Thinking. They look like baby bananas. Pretty. Oh, I just found what my daughter wants. Oh, wait. They actually flower these. Are they done? They're not done, the flowers. But my daughter wants this here. I'm not remembering the name. But I know it's this that she wants, but she wanted a smaller pot. I'm gonna have to call her and ask her if these are okay. What are these called? It's just a succulent plant. I definitely would love to have a little Buddha. Oh, that's not too bad. The other one, I saw another one. It was about the same size. It was like $69. That's crazy. How about this one? Here, this one is $15. Not too bad. But I'm sure on Amazon or something I could get something similar. Thinking. So there's more here, guys, but we can't go. They blocked us off, so you know the prices aren't set yet, I guess. And look at those grasses. Oh, just love grasses. Let's go around and see what's going on over here. You know, so they just opened today. Oh, I am so getting this year. I am so getting that this year. What's the name of that? I wanted some of that last year, didn't get any. But yeah, so they just opened, so they're just getting everything ready. So look what I did. I'll get a few of these. And this little pot is just so cute. So I think that I like that. And I decided to get this bougainvillea. It's just gorgeous. And the cyclamen. And I got these for my little pots. I'm gonna make a nice little pot for outside. So this gnome is not very happy. Go away! They're so cute. Look at this little Buddha here. Oh boy. Oh, I just want a little Buddha. Look at this one. I might just grab this one. It's only $6.99. Look how cute he is. He's so cute. So I just saw this wildflower mix here, guys. And it looks pretty darn easy. And it reseeds butterfly and birds. And these are edible flowers. I think I like butterfly and birds. Look, there's some milkweed up here. You know what? I'm doing this. Is that Leatris? Is that where does it say? Can't they just say what mix it is? Okay, well, I see what's on it. So you know what? We're going to do it. I'm going to grab some flowering meadow. Oh my. This is gorgeous. Oh. Gorgeous. The oranges. What do we want? Well, we're going for butterflies and birds. I am back home and I'm going to show you exactly what I brought back with me. First off, I got this little Buddha. Just a cute little Buddha that I'm going to put somewhere in my garden, and I'll let you guys know where he gets to sit for the next season. So I got the little Buddha. I did get this here. This is just a really cool piece. And each and every one of them was different. The holes were different. Everything was different. So it's an original piece. So I'm going to show you well, first I'll show you the other plants that I got, and then I'll show you my other little plants I'm going to put in there. Jace. All right, so I did get the bougainvillea here, which I will be planting right by my trellis and see how that goes this year. And I really like the softness of the little pink petals here, where it's like a yellowish green, and then it just goes into the nice pink tips. There's so many beautiful colors of these flowers, but apparently these, they're very hungry, so you need to give them a lot of flowering plant food. Flowering plant food. So yeah, I got this here. What she suggested, the lady that was over there, she suggested to get some of this stuff here. So I will be giving this to this little plant here, planted outdoors in the ground when it's time. Right now, still a lot of snow. Not time yet. I did decide to get this here. So this mix will be in a little area that I'm going to be calling my wildflower patch or something like that, something along the lines. It'll be my little wildflower patch. And what I'll probably end up doing is if I have, let's say I have a whole bunch of liatris, and I'll just go and get them into the plants individually. And if I want liatris in one area, I'll just place it there. So this is just like, it reseeds every year. It does its thing on its own. So I think this will be really nice to have. There's another pack that I showed you, edible flowers. I think I might be doing the edible flowers also. I'll go back in a few weeks and maybe do that then. Because this I just have to plant directly. It's direct sow outside, so I don't have to start them inside. This gorgeous, this was the first one that you saw in the video. Oh my God, I forgot the name. Oh yeah, cyclamen. Now they were saying that this little powdered stuff, let's get closer. See this little powdery stuff here, like that? She said it's like they're like bugs or something like that. And I have to leave that on there. Well, it's not bugs. You can't see them moving, but she says it's some sort of bug or whatever that will, if ever there are other bad bugs in there, that this is supposed to take care of that problem or something like that. You're not supposed to wet the leaves of this, but they were wet over there. So, but this is absolutely beautiful. She told me that it will flower all summer. I'm not sure. I thought I read that it wouldn't flower all summer. But it is going to come outside with me, and I'll see how that goes. See, it wasn't too expensive. How much did I pay this one? It was $10, $9.99. So, all right, what else did I get? Where's the bucks? Oh, these little guys. I decided not to, because they were like $5.99 each. So I didn't want to buy 8 of them. It's fine if there's a few holes that are not taken up. Maybe put something in there to make this a little higher. I think I'd do that. One on the side here. And these little fuzzies, little mini fuzzy there. Aren't they cute? They're just so cute. And these air plants, they call it air plants, I think. You just spray them. You don't need to put it in any dirt. I think this is really cute. I'll probably just leave this in here and set it up on my table. I don't know. My cat's gonna love that. My cat is gonna love this. I gotta put it somewhere else. It'll probably end up being outside on a table outside in the shade, because you don't want to put this in full sun because they'll dry out pretty quickly. So you just spritz them with water and they're fine. What else did I get? Oh, of course, I got these here. These little babies. I'm gonna bring these downstairs and set them up I have a setup downstairs where I have my other seeds growing. I'm going to set these up there. So what did I get? I got it. The Calibrachoa, Mini Famous, Uno Funtopia Blue. And these are trailing. I think that's what it said. I'll put it in a basket and it'll just hang down the basket. How about these here? These are the Bacopa Sutera Epic White. Guys, if I'm not saying this right, I'm sorry. I'm not used to all of these weird names. But that is such a cute little flower. Look at that. It almost looks like those little strawberries. This one here is the Vervine. And these get 20 to 25 centimeters high. That's 8 to 10 inches. I forgot to mention how high these got. These get 4 to 8 inches. That is 10 to 20 centimeters. Oops, yeah, high. And these here are 8 to 10 inches, 20 to 25 centimeters. And last but not least, I got these cute little ones. Look at how cute those little purple flowers are. This is a Vervine, just like this one. Is that it? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, but this one looks like it grows in little clusters. This is the Estrella Blueberry Verbena. Let's see how it grows. How it goes, how it grows. So that's what I got. I also got Jay's, sorry for my dog. I also got some of this here. I got 3 bags of this because I need to transplant some of my canna lilies. This is my haul. Today I'll be planting my rhizomes, my canna lilies, and putting them back into a pot of dirt and get them growing so that I can plant those outside. I don't know if I already will have posted the canna lily video because I have a canna lily video either already posted or coming up, so I'm not sure how that's gonna go. So I got some work to do today. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I guess I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep gardening.